everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Flow not working in 2026. If Google Flow isn't loading, responding, or working as expected, don't worry. In most cases, you can solve the problem with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Google Flow relies on an active connection to load projects and generate videos. If your internet is slow or unstable, try reconnecting to your network or switching to a different Wi-Fi connection. Next, refresh the Google Flow page. Sometimes a temporary loading issue can prevent the website from working correctly. A simple page refresh may solve the problem immediately. If the issue continues, sign out of your Google account and then sign back in. This refreshes your session and can fix temporary account-related problems. You should also clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes interfere with Google Flow. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and open Google Flow again. Another helpful step is to update your browser to the latest version. Google Flow works best with an up-to-date browser, and older versions may experience compatibility issues. If you have browser extensions installed, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions, try disabling them temporarily. Some extensions can prevent certain parts of Google Flow from loading properly. You can also try opening Google Flow in an incognito or private browsing window. If it works there, the issue is likely caused by your browser's cache or an extension. Finally, if Google Flow is still not working, the service may be experiencing a temporary outage or maintenance. In that case, wait a little while and try again later. And that's how to fix Google Flow not working in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Google Flow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.